Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to connect Binance to Tradingview. Now, the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Tradingview account, which of course I have done right here. Now, the next thing is how can you create an account for Tradingview? Now, launch in a browser of your choice. And once you do that, go ahead and locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, go ahead and type tradingview.com. And after doing that, it's going to walk you into the official website for Tradingview. Once you get into the website, just follow through with the on-screen instructions to create your account. After signing in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on Tradingview. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into the steps, and that is how to connect Binance to Tradingview. Now, from this top corner of your screen, we have these tabs which include product, community, markets, news, brokers, and more. And you can click on brokers and see if you'll be able to see Binance on the brokers lists. Not to bug you so much or not to bother you so much, you're definitely going to find Binance. One of the most efficient way to connect a broker to Tradingview is to open up the market that you want to trade on. So you can head over to the markets tab and choose from the options. So I've already opened Tesla, and this is the chart for Tesla. Awesome. So okay, so if I want to connect Binance, I'm going to scroll the way down where I have stock screener, pine editor, and strategy tester, and trading panel. So set a tab to trading panel and scroll the way down and click on see all brokers. Of course, I already found my Binance. Just wanted to do a little bit of language. Okay, so from this tab, you see the paper trading, easy markets, IC markets, BingX, OKX, and Binance. So this is Binance. Now click on Binance. Now it says by clicking connect, I confirm that I've read the warning and terms of use and accept all risks. Now go ahead and click on connect. And once you click on connect, it's going to take you right into the Binance sign up window. Oh, Binance cannot be reached. That's because I have to open my VPN. Binance is not operative in Nigeria. All right, so and I cannot just really go to VPN right now. So this is just a step, right? Just go ahead and click on connect. If you're in Nigeria, you need to use Binance, and you need to use a VPN to connect between other countries. Then Binance is definitely going to work for you without stress. So this is pretty much the process. You can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.